Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Atelier. I hope all of you are with good health and live very happy life. Today I am come with nail art. I hope all of you are like nail art. In this picture you get the latest ideas of nail art. You can use your cutex in latest designs and latest motifs on your nails. I hope all of you are like my previous videos and this video. Kindly like and share my videos to other. Due to this they get the latest ideas of from my videos and get benefit from them. I hope all of you are with good health and happy. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon you get the latest notification of my latest videos and you get benefit from my videos. Kindly comment on the comment section if you want to ask any question. Kindly see the video till the end. Kindly subscribe my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.